Hi, I'm Jason. If you have a website that is collecting visitor data using Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, ad tracking, forms, or marketing tools, there's a good chance your website legally needs a cookie consent banner. And the problem is most website owners either don't realize this, don't know how to set it up properly, or they're using an outdated cookie consent banner that don't actually comply with privacy regulations. That can create problems with GDPR, privacy compliance, ad tracking, and even customer trust. So in this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm going to explain what Cookiebot is, why websites use it, and also how it works, and how to set it up step by step, even if you're completely new to cookie consent tools. Now, what does Cookiebot do? Cookiebot is a cookie consent management platform. In simpler terms, it helps websites ask visitors for permission before collecting tracking data through cookies. For example, when you visit a website and you see a pop-up asking you to accept cookies, as you can see right here, reject cookies or manage preferences, that's usually a cookie consent platform like Cookiebot. In fact, these two examples are websites using Cookiebot, as you can see right here. Cookiebot scans your website and detects cookies being used by tools like Google Analytics, for example, Facebook Pixels, YouTube embeds, advertising platforms, and tracking software, then helps control those cookies based on visitor consent. A lot of people think cookie banners are just annoying pop-ups, but there's actually a reason why they exist. Privacy laws like GDPR and also e-privacy regulations and other data privacy laws require websites to inform users about data collection and in many cases get consent before tracking them. And this affects far more websites than people realize. For example, if your site uses analytics, marketing pixels, embedded videos, chat widgets, or ad tracking, you may already be using cookies. That means even bloggers, agencies, small businesses, e-commerce stores, and creators may need proper cookie consent management. Now let me show you how to quickly set up Cookiebot on your website. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up for free. So once on cookiebot.com, you're going to tap on Start Free. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be able to set up your profile. So are you signing up for yourself or on behalf of a client? You can select whichever option. Then from there, you can select the industry that you're in. After doing that, you're going to scroll down. How many domains does your company manage? You can select that right there. After you've done that, what kind of work do you do? And you can select whichever one of these options best relate to you. So you can select the option right here. After you have done that, what is your role in the company? You can also select that option right there. Then you'll tap on Next. And what are you looking to achieve with Cookiebot CMP? You can select the option that best suits your need. So for example, I'm learning about data privacy and consent management. You can select whichever one of these options. I'm just going to tap right there. How did you hear about Cookiebot? And from there, you could select YouTube, for example. Then you'll tap on Get Started. After you have selected Get Started, from here, you're going to fill in your website URL. So I'll add in my website URL right there. Then you're going to select the country. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Next. Once you have selected Next, from here you can select the banner layout that you want. So you have dialog or you have bar. After you have done that, you can also see the style effect. You can see the slide up option, or if you don't want none, you can also see you can add the banner at the bottom, or if you want, you can add it at the top. Then you can also select design, and from here you could display your logo on the banner. So a good example of this would be this website right here. So you have Strava. With Strava, you can see that their logo is being displayed. While if I were to go onto another website, as you can see right here, you can see that you only see the Cookiebot banner. You don't see their logo being displayed. So those are the two different examples. So if you would like your logo to be displayed, you can simply tap on Upload File and it will be displayed. You can also tap on compliance, and from there you have different options that you can choose from. You have multi-level, you also have reject all, selection, allow all. So that's the option that I'm going to choose. Then once you're finished and everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on Next. After selecting Next, from here you can see it is loading up. Now all you'll need to do is add this HTML code onto your website. So it all depends on the website builder that you're using. For example, if you're using WordPress, you could select WordPress right here and you can see the plugin that you could install. If it is a case that you're using Wix, there's also a plugin that you could install. So you have different options that you could choose from. Now, if it is a case that you would like to manually add this, you can also do that. Now, let's say for example, you're using WordPress like me. All you need to do is go onto your WordPress dashboard. Once on WordPress, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to hover over plugins. Then from there, you're going to see the option add new plugin. You'll tap right there. In the search bar, you're just going to add in Cookiebot. Once you have done that, you're going to see the Cookiebot option right here, Cookiebot by User-Centrics, and you're going to simply tap on install. After you have selected install, you're going to tap on activate, and you can see it right here. After you have tapped on activate, what I want you to do next, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, and you're going to tap on Cookiebot. After you have selected Cookiebot, this is how your dashboard will look. Then you're just going to tap on connect it, where you see you already have an account. After you have done that, you can see right here, connect your account. Enter the ID of your account to quickly connect it with your plugin. Next thing you want to do is go back onto Cookie Consent website. Once on the website, you're going to tap right where you see finish right here. After you have tapped on finish, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select implementation. After selecting implementation, you're going to scroll down and this is where you'll be able to see the domain group ID. You're just going to copy this, so you'll tap right here. After you have copied it, you're going to go back into WordPress and you're going to paste it right here. Then you will tap on connect account, so you'll paste it in, tap on enter, and you can see it right there. Changes have been saved. After you have done that, there's also additional stuff that you could add. For example, you can tap on additional settings. From there, you can choose to toggle on automatically update to new version. After you have done that, you can tap on save changes right here. After saving the changes, you can tap on Google Tag Manager and you could also enable that if you want. So that's another option that you can also explore. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to go back onto your Cookie Consent dashboard. Once on the Cookie Consent dashboard, you can go over to the left-hand menu option. From there, you could tap on implementation. Then you could tap on verify and you can give it a few seconds while it is being verified. And that's basically it when it comes on to Cookiebot setup. Also, if you were to tap on the dashboard right here, there are some plugins that you can also quickly add. As you can see right here, you have website analytics, you can tap on add. You also have the profiling bot, you can also add that if you want. So that's what Cookiebot is and how to use it as a beginner. If you want to check out Cookiebot for yourself, I've left a link in the pinned comment and description below. And if you want more tutorials about website tools, online business software, automation, and compliance tools, make sure to subscribe because I'll be posting more beginner-friendly tutorials like this. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.